What's happening, guys? Hope you're having a great day for yourself. Got some stuff figured out for the Jeep. Tonight, I'm gonna try and make progress. Anything at this point that I do is progress. And in the bottom of the screen right now is a set of tires, which you're probably asking, what the heck are those for? So I actually picked up a set of Nitto Trail Grapplers. I believe these are 33s, I'm not sure. They're 295 70-17s. I think that's a 33 by 12.5. These are gonna go on the other Jeep thing that's driving, just so it doesn't look as ridiculous as it does on stock wheels, at least for now, because I'm not really going to be changing the highlines and stuff on that Jeep until this Jeep is just about ready to go. So tonight I'm just gonna work on some little cutting things there, here and there, and anything I can do is forward progress. Well, my camera died and I got to this point that I really wanted to film, so we're hitting you with the iPhone, baby. See if I can get this off. Got one like little weld over there that I can't get to, so I'm gonna see if I can't just kind of there we go. This piece is totally salvageable for something. Or, you know, it's at least good steel. I could cut gussets out of it or something, so sweet. Alright, so time flies when you're cutting stuff. I genuinely just hate cutting metal. So having that big face shield and those earmuffs is like, it's essential for me. But it just takes so much time and it makes a mess. So good progress tonight though. I got pretty much the axle cleared. I'm obviously gonna have to clean up this stuff. I'm trying to salvage this track bar bracket because it is like a square mount and not a tube mount. It is really tall, so I do have the ability to like cut it up here and then I do have the ability to like cut it up this way and then down, so this whole thing will be like shorter, because I know a lot of people run their track bar to the C, and it's much taller than the ball joint here, so no problem. Yeah, looking good though. I think this plate can get cut off. I'm pretty sure there is metal underneath the old coil spring pad, so I'm gonna work on cleaning that up some other time. I was starting to grind down some of the welds on this. I don't know, for some reason, it would just satisfy me to take this thing off in one piece. And something I found actually was there's a little bit of rot back here on the bracket itself, not the frame, on the bracket, which is just so bizarre to me. So this Jeep is just, it's rotted in the weirdest places. But I'm gonna clean up, head home, recharge, and hit it tomorrow. Alright, so another night in the shop. Really tired tonight. Guess I'm just gonna keep going with cutting some stuff off. Everything I do right now is just gonna keep moving me forward. So if I get too tired, I might actually fire up the welder. I want to practice some more like uphill vertical welding. That's something I'm gonna need to do if I want to get the brackets on the Jeep myself. I am debating just kind of tacking everything together. We'll do a couple stitches here and there, and then I'll actually bring it somewhere to someone who is a little more qualified than me to actually put everything like on the frame. Because if I mess that up, it's a big pain in the butt, and it's kind of important. So I'm just gonna stare at this thing for a little bit and figure out what my best plan of attack is and get to work.
Is a bow hunter.
Alright, my back is killing me, but good progress. Both sides are cleaned off. I don't know why I'm hesitant to take the uppers off. I have a new bracket to go on top of the pumpkin. That's where I'm going to run my third link. This one is coming off. Love that. Anyway, this is coming off, and I'm going to try and salvage something out of that track bar bracket. I think I mentioned that yesterday. One step at a time. Still have to get the coil buckets off of here, but big pain in the butt. This stuff actually takes a really long time to do, so my back is killing me, so I'm going to head home.
If you think I can be beat, go and live your fantasy. Oh yeah, I'm the real thing. Ain't nobody can compare to me. I'm fucking royalty. I'm fucking royalty. A lot of you guys might remember this thing. Good old Alana here. I still don't know which one to call Alana yet. I'm pretty sure this is still Alana at this point. Looks ridiculous with these wheels and tires on there. And eventually this will be like a totally running and driving Jeep. Not that it isn't now, it just looks absolutely ridiculous. So I picked up this set of wheels and tires over here for $100 bucks. We're gonna put these on here. Huge shout out to Brendan. I don't know if he watches my videos or not, but he had a set of adapters just laying around. They're a little beat up, but he just gave them to me. So that's huge. So I'm gonna have a nice set of wheels, a decent set of wheels and tires on here for $100 bucks. I need a new jack. I bought these super expensive lug nut sockets. They don't destroy your wheel. And they don't fit in my bead locks, so I never use them. Ew, they're all wet.
Little tiny guy.
So this tire is newer than the rest. I don't know why. It's almost like they used it as a spare. But it also looks like... No, this one's definitely newer than the rest. And I think I'm going to put it on the rear so that way I don't feel it as much in the steering. Important step on wheel spacers is some thread locker. And by some, I mean as much as you can get on there. It's like all the way lower. Jack it up again, it's freaking going down already. This smells awful. Oh. Much better.
You approve?
I'm gonna let it run a little bit too. It's been sitting over there for like at least a month.